While Chapin broadcast spreaders are designed and built to last, proper care and maintenance of your spreader are essential to ensure proper function and durability. Whether spreading ice melt or turf products, use these guidelines to keep your Chapin spreader working well. Number 1. Rinse your spreader after use. A quick rinse after spreading product helps ensure material doesn't build up in the moving parts of your spreader and cause problems. This couldn't be simpler. Just hose it down inside and out. Number 2. Wash it with soap and water. Using a rag or sponge to wash your spreader with soapy water will remove all remaining residue of the product, ensuring corrosion or buildup don't affect critical parts. Make sure you wash the entire spreader and let it dry in the sun or towel it off. Number 3. Lubricate. If your spreader has grease fittings on the bearings and/or gearbox, pump some grease into them after you've washed and dried it. Wipe off any excess. Fresh grease will keep your moving parts working properly and force out any moisture or product that got into the bearings during use. Also at this time, wipe down the frame of your spreader using a penetrating lubricant or silicone spray and soft towel. A light coating of oil or silicone on your frame will help keep corrosion and rust at bay. Yes, even stainless steel will benefit from a light coating, particularly on ice melt and salt spreaders. Number 4. Check your gate function and tire pressure. With your spreader washed and lubricated, check that your gate functions properly, that it opens and closes all the way, and adjust as needed. Also, check your tire pressure if you have pneumatic tires and add air if needed. You can find the proper tire pressure on the tires of your spreader. Finally, when not in use, make sure you store your Chapin spreader in a dry location. Thank you for choosing Chapin. We go the extra mile so you can too. Chapin. Cover more ground.